Hello, my name is John Dean Ciafega, and my experience here at Arkana has been life-changing. And I came here as a closed person, a person who had good intentions, a person with a good heart, just closed off. And my experience here at Arkana has changed my life in the most beautiful way. It's the most loving, most healing place in the world for me. And I am absolutely grateful and thankful to the staff here, to this beautiful center, for all the work that they have done. And it's quite beautiful and magical. There's almost not enough, there aren't enough words to really describe the truth of what's going on here. And if you're on the fence about coming here, I'm telling you, for me, it absolutely changed my life. And I'm completely thankful for everything that's gone on here. And I don't doubt that it would do the same for you. And you deserve to treat yourself right. And if you feel like you need to do something good for yourself, without a doubt, this is it. This is something that will absolutely give you the most wonderful experience for yourself that may be possible. I am completely I'm thankful. I love myself, but now I know that everyone else loves me, and that it's all good. And I feel that I have been healed on layers of myself I didn't think were possible. And I'm a believer now more than I ever have been. And I cannot overstate how beautiful of a place, of a journey, of an experience that I've had. And I say this to you as a friend, as a person sharing this place with you, this world, who's gone through his own troubles and experienced his own troubles. And I think that you will benefit completely. So if you're on the fence and you're unsure if you should come into this program, be totally worth it for you to get here and go through this experience and experience yourself in ways that you have never experienced ever. And I give you my word that you will be absolutely changed in the best ways possible. And yeah, so make the choice to be good to yourself, and you deserve it. And I'm so thankful for my time here, and I couldn't have realized how incredible of an experience, how incredible of a healing process this is. And you're in for a treat. So yeah, get here.